Hi, I'm Junie. I'd like to invite you to a community event about separation, loss and attachment. This is going to be held at the Hillview Community Centre on the 6th of October between 10:30 and 4 p.m. at 39 Kitter Road, New Cross, SE14 5TW. The day is going to be absolutely fantastic. If you came along to the celebration of Family Health ISIS on Saturday the 22nd and you want more or you missed that event, please come to this event. We're going to have workshops on looking at the intergenerational trauma of separation and loss. We're going to have a biblical perspective. We're going to have a historical perspective. We're going to have workshops on the rites of passage of our children and young people, because often they go through stages of development without understanding how do I negotiate that passage in life. And that workshop's going to be run by Olive Lewis. So please ensure that your young people come along. We can see in our community the impact of separation and loss, and certainly serious issues around attachment. Many of our young people have experienced being taken into care, being fostered and adopted away from their original families. What is the anxiety and loss of that original family feeling like as they grow? What do our children witness with the amounts of crime and loss of life in the community, and the fear of not fitting in, the fear of identity crisis, the fear of being excluded from school, internal and external exclusion? What is the impact when they lose the family connection because of this disconnection in families, when everybody just wants you to be fine, things just to go straight and they don't? And the anxiety because of the separation has not been detected. Some of you may know about separation through school, when your children first start school and nursery and you need to leave them. Parents experience loss. Parents experience loss, so do our children. Like, I've got to now be in a different environment. How do I cope? And this goes on way up into secondary school, and most certainly in our universities, where the dropout rate and failure of our children to exceed in their first year at uni. We've been told just recently over 10% of young adults in university have a fully established mental health condition. Imagine that. Who is thinking about our well-being? So this event gets to us to think about what underpins what's going on in our minds, and those open secrets that are held from childhood into adulthood, of things that we couldn't share, or we may not even have the words to express. And they're so painful, we held on to them until literally they just burst out of us as we go through our stages as adults and parents in the community. We are inviting you to come and share with us on at this important event. We will have speakers like Dr. Agri Burke, Dr. Angela Williams, contributions from Tony Warner. We will have local speakers who experience this in their daily work, in probation and in our ordinary lives. I want you to make an effort to be there. Come, make sure you turn up for 10:30 and be willing to stay the day. I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.